Dubai.
From Dubai.
Dubai, yes.
And Dubai, Saudi Arabia,
Here, Jordan.
Jordan, and here. What do you bring?
Dibis.
Dibis.
As you saw, this company, which is called TruckNet, is an Israeli company. And while this land route was on paper, on the table before October 7th, and it was not activated until after the Houthis decided that they were going to try to assist their brothers and sisters in Gaza by putting pressure on the Israeli government. Keeping in mind that were those ships, any ships that have to go around Africa to go into Haifa, it raises the price of goods 300%. Here you had the governments of the United Arab Emirates and Bahrain, and along with Saudi Arabia taking the land route through Jordan and on into Haifa. They decided that, hey, you know what? Business and trade is much more important than the lives of the people in Gaza. That's the reality of the situation, brothers and sisters, and we can't call it anything else. Now, as you saw, the Jordanian government, they tried to play the role. They tried to say, nah, man, I don't know what you're talking about. This is all misinformation. But on the net, there is paperwork which is showing that goods are flowing from Jordan on into Israel. That's the reality of the situation, brothers and sisters. I want you to tweet or post or something about this topic because the Jordanian government needs to be fully embarrassed for their help of Israel against the interests of the Muslims in Gaza. We really need your help.